Welcome back, guys. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I'll be taking out my 3-month-old braids. If you guys watch my videos, you'll remember I did a video on how I did those on myself. I will link that in the description box. But today's video is all about taking them out. As you guys can see, the braids still look really good. The color is beautiful and I just love them so much. I was quite sad to take them off, to be honest, but the roots were screaming for help. As you can all see, the braids were literally hanging. And when it's like that, guys, the extensions weighs down on your natural hair, which is why a lot of people lose so much hair when they take their braids out. So in today's video, I'm going to show you all how to take out your braids and still keep your hair very healthy. So I hope you guys enjoy today's video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new.
Take out them box braids. She done had them bitches in for like 100 days. Talking about it make her hair grow.
So before I take out my braids, I'm using some shea butter to moisturize my roots. You can use any moisturizer you have. So this is going to prevent breakage when I'm taking my braids out, and it's going to minimize shedding. Next thing I'm going to do is use some water from my spray bottle and add some moisture in my hair. So you can mix some conditioner to the water if you like. And as you guys can see, I'm just massaging those in my scalp just to make sure that it gets everywhere and to make sure there's moisture in my hair. So now, guys, I'm putting my hair up in a ponytail so that it's out of my way, and I'm going to work in sections. So starting from the back, I'm taking a few braids out of the ponytail, and I'm going to start taking those out first. So using a pair of scissors, I'm just cutting the braids just before my natural hair. I actually cut them slightly longer first so that I can take the first one out, as you guys can see. Then check the length, see how long my hair is. Then I will know what length to actually cut the braids, which will help take them out faster. So the shorter you cut them, the faster it's going to be to take them out. But you just want to make sure that you don't cut your natural hair, which is why I cut them a bit longer first. Taking the first one out to check how long my hair is, and then I'm gonna cut the braids according to the length of my hair. So I hope that makes sense. I hope my English is Englishing, guys. So fast forward, guys, I already finished taking the back out. Now I'm left with the middle and the front. So guys, as you can all see, I'm using my fingers to take my braids out. I prefer to use my fingers because I'm quite fast when I take them out rather than using a comb. But you need to have long nails in order to do this. And secondly, using my fingers is good for me because it helps prevent breakage. So because my hair is already quite weak, my fingers add less tension than a comb would. I hope that makes sense. So guys, we all know taking your braids out can be quite long and quite boring, especially if you're doing it alone like me. So having your favorite songs playing is a great way to help you get through it, and before you know it, you'll be done taking your hair out. So get that playlist on, okay? So guys, as you can all see, music just helps me have fun with it, and I just get up, I do my thing, I dance. It may take a little bit longer to take my hair out but y'all, I'm still having fun, and we all know time flies when you're having fun, so get that playlist on, sis, and do your thing. So guys, I like to detangle my hair as I take each braid out. There's usually some buildup which creates knots, and I know some people leave it and brush everything out when they're done taking the braids out, or maybe in the shower, but that's just not a good idea as you can lose a lot of hair. So what I like to do is spray some water on it, on the knot, and rub it in. As you guys can see, and just spread it apart. So this helps to reduce shedding, and the hair stays super healthy. As you guys can see, my hair is healthy and I didn't get any shedding.
Would you fly with me international? I'm not gonna take you in something rubbish.
As you guys can see, I don't have much left now, and I like to start taking the braids out from the back just in case I have somewhere to go, maybe run to the shop and get some things and so on. You know, anything can happen. Starting from the back means that all I have to do is put the rest of the braids in a low ponytail and hide the back, or maybe wear a hat, and it's not gonna look as bad or as crazy. So that's one of the reasons why I kind of like starting at the back. So guys, I like to detangle like I showed you guys earlier, but to detangle the front can be quite challenging because sometimes it's because of how long you kept the hair in for, and this can also cause just a little bit of shedding, as you guys can see, because it's really hard. So just imagine if you don't do this as you go. Imagine doing this at the end. You're gonna struggle. It's gonna be very hard to do, and it's gonna be very painful. You're gonna lose a lot of hair. And another reason why I like to detangle as I go is because once I go and wash my hair, the process will be so much easier. So guys, now I'm on the last few. I just wanted to let you guys know that taking my braids out took me around an hour and a half to 2 hours. I think about less than 2 hours, to be honest, but like I told you guys already, using my fingers really does help me work faster, and also just cutting the braids quite short helped me. So if your hair is longer, then I'm really sorry and I wish you good luck. I finished taking the hair out, and now it's time to go ahead and wash my hair. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you learned a thing or two. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up. Then don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.